Hello, this is Loretta again. I am a knitter and I knit gnomes and I am selling them on Etsy, and sometimes I am sharing my daily life. I can show you what kind of gnomes I am doing now, what I am selling right now. Now is Valentine's Day is coming, then Patrick's Day, then Mardi Gras Day, and I do not sell them a lot, just some, but still it keeps me busy. Would you like to see? I completed the order yesterday, those little pink hat Valentine's Day gnomes. They are beautiful. And today I'm working on others. This is velvet gnome. It's mint. It's kind of bluish mint. Again, this was shoes, like I do them a lot. It is time to review my inventory. I'm working on this right now and I will show you a little bit. And Mardi Gras gnome. There's not a lot, just daily life. I already started and then I decided to make a video. The hands has wire in it. That's why I can make it like real hands, like holding. I can even adjust if I want. I do add a little bit like pearl on accessories. This part is not done yet because I have so many options about this pin and it's not done. It's just kind of prepared, but it's not done. If I will sell it, I will add the pin customer request. For Christmas gnomes, I do not use the glue to attach the label, but for this gnome, I even put a little bit glue. Just there is no way that customer would like to take it off and put something else. On my winter gnomes, I leave the option. You have the snowflake, and then when winter is over, you can pick off the snowflake and the gnome can sit all year round. I have one more Patrick gnome, but this is a lady. I need to make hair right now. Okay, the girl is done. Wow, the pin is wrong direction, but I did not attach it because, again, like I said, I have so many options, and I will do this the moment I will know for sure what customer did order. A little bit glue, take out like this. Okay, my Patricks are done. And this is an amazing supply from Amazon. You can check my link below to make Mardi Gras gnome cute. Just I will attach this a little bit with the glue on the sides, and it will look very, very cute. And on the bottom, on the top, I used something I found in my house. I have no idea where it came from, cannot remember. Just I cut a little bit on the top, put in a hat, and it is nice Mardi Gras gnome, which I have ordered today, and I need to ship it soon. One more. This was kind of easy. Just these guys are a piece of art. And then I need to do one more. Okay, all done. Pack and ship.